Fishing kayaks are easy to maneuver and quite stable, helping you get to just the right spot on the water and making it easy to cast and reel. Many even allow you to stand up. These vessels also have many special features designed with fishing in mind, such as built-in rod holders and accessory mounts that can be used with fish finders or trolling motors. We identified the best fishing kayaks based on size, weight, gear storage, hull type, and special features. We relied on our own experience on the water, input from kayak fishing experts, and reviews left by users of each kayak. To help you find the right model, we've listed the top 5 best fishing kayaks and their key features, plus the things you need to consider to help you choose the best one for you, and as always, you can check pricing for any of these products in the description below. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Number 5. Oldtown Topwater 106 PDL Angler. Discover unparalleled fishing freedom with the Oldtown Topwater 106 PDL Angler Fishing Kayak, an exceptional vessel engineered to transform your aquatic adventures. At 10 feet 5 inches in length and weighing just 82 pounds, this kayak marries ultra stability with remarkable ease of maneuverability, thanks to its lightweight hull and innovative forward-on-reverse pedal system. The Topwater 106 PDL is designed to deliver seamless hands-free performance, allowing you to glide effortlessly across the water no matter the conditions. Crafted for the avid angler, this sit-on-top kayak boasts a user-friendly design featuring an easy pending system and an oversized stern tank that enhance your fishing experience with minimal effort. The integrated transducer mounting system is a game-changer, enabling you to effortlessly attach a fish finder and stay ahead of the catch. With 3 strategically placed rod holders and ample rod and tackle storage, you'll have everything you need right at your fingertips. Made from durable single-layer polyethylene, the Oldtown Topwater 106 PDL supports a weight capacity of up to 450 pounds, accommodating both you and your gear with ease. Its thoughtful design ensures not only a comfortable ride, but also a reliable and efficient fishing platform. Embrace the future of fishing kayaks with the Oldtown Topwater 106 PDL, where stability, performance, and convenience come together for an unrivaled experience on the water. Number 4. Hobie Mirage Outback. Introducing the Hobie Mirage Outback pedal fishing kayak on engineering marvel in roto-molded polyethylene that redefines durability and performance on the water. This sit-on-top kayak is designed to offer an unparalleled fishing experience with its hands-free angling capabilities and innovative features. The Hobie Mirage Outback is powered by the cutting-edge Mirage Drive 180 turbo system, a sophisticated pedal drive mechanism that transforms your paddling effort into a powerful leg workout. This advanced system not only enhances your efficiency on the water, but also contributes to a well-toned physique, turning every fishing trip into a productive exercise session. This kayak is built with both beginners and seasoned kayakers in mind. Its ergonomic design includes a highly adjustable seat, with lower back support for superior comfort during long hours on the water. Additionally, it features a scupper specifically designed for easy mounting of a transducer, making it simple to integrate modern fish finding technology into your setup. Measuring 12 feet in length, the Hobie Mirage Outback offers a generous weight capacity of 425 pounds. Despite its substantial weight of 103 pounds, the kayak's design ensures easy transport and exceptional stability. The impressive weight capacity signals ample storage space and robust construction, capable of supporting anglers of all sizes and providing the reliability you need for any fishing expedition. Specs and features. Type, sit on top. Person capacity 1. Material, polyethylene. Weight capacity 425 nlbs. Weight 103 lbs. Number 3. Wilderness Systems ATAC 120. For those who demand the best in fishing kayaks, the Wilderness Systems ATAC 120 is the ultimate choice. This high-end kayak delivers a combination of rugged durability and sophisticated features that cater to both serious anglers and outdoor enthusiasts alike. Boasting a formidable weight capacity of 400 pounds, the ATAC 120 stands out for its ability to support a substantial load without sacrificing maneuverability. Its compact design ensures that whether you're navigating on the water or transporting the kayak to your favorite fishing spot, you'll experience seamless handling and stability. Designed with the angler in mind, the ATAC 120 features a rubber-ready hull with a rocker shape that enhances navigation efficiency, making it easy to cut through water and handle various conditions. The kayak comes equipped with a FlexPod removable console, offering a versatile platform for accommodating electronics or motor drive propulsion. This thoughtful feature allows you to customize your setup for optimal performance. Comfort is paramount in the ATAC 120, which is why it includes the AirPro Max seat. This premium seat comes with a quick-release buckle for secure attachment and easy adjustment, ensuring a comfortable and supportive ride. The adjustable Keepers XL foot braces provide additional support, enhancing your overall stability and control while fishing. To take your fishing experience to the next level, consider investing in the brand's trailer-able cover and kayak crate. These accessories are designed to simplify the transportation of your catch and keep your kayak in pristine condition, making every fishing trip more enjoyable. Number 2. Pelican Sentinel. For a serene and enjoyable fishing experience, the Pelican Sentinel fishing kayak is your ideal companion. Engineered to excel in calm and slow-moving waters, this kayak offers unmatched stability and tracking, making long-distance paddling a breeze. Its multi-chine flat-bottom design ensures a steady and balanced ride, allowing you to focus on your fishing without worrying about tipping or instability. At less than 10 feet long and weighing just 44 pounds, the Pelican Sentinel is incredibly easy to transport and store. Its compact size and lightweight construction mean you can handle it solo, making it perfect for those who cherish solitary fishing trips or need a kayak that fits conveniently into tight spaces. The Pelican Sentinel is thoughtfully designed with a range of features to enhance your time on the water. Molded carrying handles make it simple to move the kayak, while accessory eyelets and paddle holders keep your gear organized and within reach. Rod tie-downs ensure your fishing rods are securely stowed and ready for action, providing everything you need for a successful day of angling. Specs and features. Type sit on top. Person capacity 1. Material Ramex. Weight capacity 275 lbs. Weight 44 lbs. Whether you're a casual angler or simply enjoy a leisurely day on the water, the Pelican Sentinel fishing kayak combines convenience, stability, and ease of use for an exceptional fishing experience. With its user-friendly design and practical features, it's the perfect choice for those who value simplicity and performance. Number 1. Perception Pescador Pro 12, best overall. Experience the perfect blend of size, comfort, and functionality with the Perception Pro Pescador. Fishing kayak, a mid-priced gem that strikes an ideal balance for both novice and intermediate anglers. At 12 feet long, this kayak offers ample space for cargo while maintaining a manageable weight, ensuring easy transport and handling. The Pro Pescador stands out with its well-thought-out design, featuring upright rod storage to keep your rods securely in place while you paddle. Its generous rear and front storage compartments are perfect for stowing tackle, a cooler, and other bulky gear, allowing you to bring everything you need for a successful fishing trip. Comfort is a key highlight of the Pro Pescador. It comes equipped with a quickly adjustable footrest that caters to paddlers of varying heights, and a removable, highly supportive seat that ensures a comfortable ride throughout your time on the water. Whether you're casting from a seated position or taking a break, the ergonomic design helps you stay relaxed and focused. This sit-on-top kayak is an excellent choice for anglers who appreciate a mix of performance and value. Its combination of practical features and robust construction makes it a versatile option for those looking to enhance their fishing experience without breaking the bank. Specs and features. Type sit on top. Person capacity 1. Material roto-molded polyethylene. Weight capacity 375 lbs. Weight 64 lbs. Discover the Perception Pro Pescador and enjoy a well-rounded kayak that delivers on comfort, capacity, and convenience, making it an exceptional choice for your fishing adventures.